Good afternoon, guys. Tony from AZ Quad Riders here, talking about a new purchase today of mine. About 3 weeks ago, there was a RV slash outdoor show slash everything having to do with outdoor show in the greater Phoenix area in North Scottsdale. And of course, older and oldest, my riding brothers, we had to go down and check it out. I was looking for lights for my side-by-side here, my beautiful RMax, Wolverine RMax 25 limited. Anyway, so we thought we'd go down there and see, just look around and see different things. Now, lighting on lights, of course they'll have lights. We did a light, an evening ride using our lights this past summer. I've got this brand new in April. Gets too hot in the Phoenix area, doesn't ride around much during the daytime in the summer. So we did a night ride up Four Peaks Road. Might have seen that video. It's amazing. You think you have pretty bright lights until you get out in the middle of nowhere and you realize they're nothing, the regular stock lighting. I know this to be true. I've been off-roading since I was 17 and about 1977, 76, 78 in that area. Back in those days we all had Chevy half-ton trucks. We had roll bars back in the day, and we had KC daylighters, which were the big one. They were amazingly bright pencil beam lights, could light way out there. And so we got used to the lighting on those things. Well, these here are not quite KC daylighters. They are a company called, let me get it right, GG Lighting. Okay, so I bought these at the show. I did happen to see the KC daylighter, the KC lights booth that they had set up there. Nice people. Everybody was there. It was working. It was a lot younger than me. I told them about the good old days, and they've been hearing stories like that all day. They're very proud of those lights. Very expensive. I actually went to a off-road vehicle place here in the greater Phoenix area, and talked about lighting like this. I like these as opposed to the bars, to the single bracket up top, or maybe in the front here. So I went there and talked to them about them, and basically they were wanted $200 a piece for each light. So $400 worth of lights, another right around $100 for the wiring harness, and then $300 to install. I was looking at $700 or more to install it, and to buy them installed $750 somewhere in there, and a switch and everything for the inside. So a friend of ours, who's become a good friend of AZ Quad Riders, Larry. You've seen him on other rides, Desert Villain rides, and a few others. Good guy. Him and his son. His son, he kind of got roped into it, but he offered to install them for me. We ended up buying the lights at the show. Among a few other things. I bought the lights. I got a better deal on these things. They were not anywhere near 400 each, or 200 each. Anyway, and so this video is about the installation and the lighting itself, and show a little demo of the lighting. I really, really appreciate Larry working on this for me, because we thought it was going to be a quick job. Turned into more. I mean, the wiring harness has like 9 feet, and all we had to do was go from here to here, almost nothing. You know, so and I am the worst for this, okay? There's things that I'm good at working on these machines, I am not. Once we took the hood off, they took the dash off, they took the infotainment thing off, they gutted the whole thing. I'm going to insert pictures here as I'm talking. I may have already started doing that. They basically had to take everything down from the front, the dash came off, spread everything apart, thread the wiring through, and then of course I didn't realize, I never washed this thing, washed the outside, but never opened it up and hosed off. It was filthy. You'll see all the dust here, all the dirt that's in there. So I got to do all that, got it all put back together, and they did a terrific job, and my hats are off to them. They've become good friends of AZ Quad Riders, and we appreciate their friendship and the fact they got the knowledge. Larry has a garage with every tool in the world in it, and he works on these things all the time, so God bless him. He did a great job, him and his son. So now the switch basically comes on. If the same switch, it looks as good as any factory job. So I'm very proud of it here, and we're going to take it out for our first night ride tomorrow. Now I'm shooting this in between Christmas and New Year's Christmas and New Year's 2025. So we'll see how it works out in the desert, and I'm going to insert some video here. I'm going to show you now. I just ran to a lot where I walked my dog, a little piece of desert. I'm going to show you that here. So let's take a look at that. Alright guys, I figured I better show you our final work here. So, like I say, most most of you know, if you go off-road and you have just your regular pickup truck or your regular side-by-side, the lights that you get, we'll swing around here. This is the regular lights here that you're seeing now. This is regular. There's the brights, still pretty good. So with the lights we installed, we now have this. Definitely better, you can tell. There they are. So there it is. I mean, there's a lot of guys. Here it is, just the big lights. There they are. Now a lot of guys are going to put lights on the rack. This is just the two on the side. So as you can see, the lighting is actually pretty good. I mean, it's not going to be mega because they're just small compared to my old KC daylighters. Maybe one day I'll install one in the front here, and the grill has a thing natural cut out here if I need some more lighting. But we don't ride that much at night, and I don't have a way of getting out and hunting, like I said, and taking my quad, my side-by-side and my camper and everything on hunting trips. So I got to figure out, come with kind of go around. I'm not buying a toy hauler. Sorry, enough's enough campers. So I don't ride that much at night, so it's not that important. So anyway, we're going to insert some video of our ride we're going to take tomorrow. I have not shot it yet. I'm going to put it into this video when I put it up there. Just a few minutes or so of a womp around there, and we'll do a video of the actual night ride. Man, oh man, yep. Let's see what it'd be like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There it is. So, all in all, we hope everybody's having a good day. The company, again, this is GG Lighting. You can find them at let's see, what's their www.gglighting.net. That's the company here. I get nothing for it, but just seem to be pretty good. By the way, I had to buy the brackets also from the same company, mounting brackets, everything. So, I think I have about $250 in the whole thing, $270 in all the lighting and the brackets and everything. And I mean, Larry could have charged me a lot of money, and he didn't. He's just a super guy, so I really appreciate it. Very knowledgeable off-roader in the area also. So anyway, that's it for now. Hopefully everybody's having a good time and a good day, and we're going to start off into a new year. 2026 is right around the corner, and we'll hopefully things will be good in 26, and we'll talk to you down the road. We'll keep watching our videos. We sure appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. We're still working on building our little channel here. Just a little channel of fun. All right? Tony from AZ Quad Riders signing off. See you next time.